iPhone 13 Pro Max no removal camera. Cleaning tutorial. Firstly, we detected multiple black dot watermarks inside the camera. Clean with iS900 cleaner in 30 West ultrasonic waves for 10 to 20 seconds. Pay attention to the operating gestures and precautions when cleaning. For detailed questions, please consult iFix's distributor. After cleaning, we will place it vertically on the support plate and let it stand for 3 to 5 minutes. The waiting time is up. We will check the cleaning effect of the camera. Look, all watermarks and black dots have been removed, and the function has returned to normal.